What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Streamr, also known as Data, which has pumped up over 100% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just above 6 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is it going to keep pumping, potentially hitting 10 cents by the end of December 2023, or is it going to pump up higher in 2024? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? As you guys can see, over the last 2 to 3 days it's pumped up over 120%. So we are going to look at its prediction for the rest of the year and going into 2024 as well, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Streamr, which is here in purple at above 3 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 6 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. But that also does mean that it is overvalued right now, and it does have the potential to drop back down in value. But that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Streamr over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Streamr should be trading around 5 cents is what I'm expecting, or just below that price range is where I'm expecting Streamr to be heading to. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to suddenly crash back down in value. It is going to be a slow and steady drop in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. But again, do expect green candles in between. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We still got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So more drops are expected over the coming days. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, towards the end of this week, early next week, Streamr should, in my opinion and my prediction, it should have dropped back down to below 4 cents in target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days, but do expect green days in between. However, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So yeah, essentially dropping or crashing back down in value over the coming days is what I'm expecting from Streamr. Reason being is because it's pumped up over 100% in a space of 24 hours, meaning it is 100% overvalued right now, and it is bound to drop back down over the next couple of hours and days as well, dropping down to where it was trading at previously. And we're gonna be going through in more looking through its technical analysis later on in the video using the Fibonacci scale. But for now, let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks now, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. However, they are looking too steep, so this means it's not realistic guys. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. However, that's not how it's likely to carry on over the coming weeks. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting Streamr to be trading around 4 cents in value, so at a slightly higher value than where it was trading at over the last couple of days. But obviously before that, as I explained earlier, it is likely to drop back down to around 3 cents over the coming weeks before it slowly and steadily starts to increase up to around 4 cents or just above 4 cents in Q1 of 2024. Meaning, yes, from where it is at the moment, it is an overall drop, but it's like once it drops all the way back down, it is likely to steadily increase in value, as I'm expecting the crypto market to be heading towards a positive direction in the first quarter of 2024. And even this crypto here, as you guys can see, over the last couple of months, it has been slowly gaining value. It was trading around 2 cents back in September and slowly and steadily gained value just above 3 cents. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we were trading in the red zone, and earlier this morning we literally broke out from the red zone without any resistance, headed into the green zone, broke out from the green zone without any resistance either, and now we have dropped back down into the green zone. Its next target is potentially to drop back down into the red zone over the coming days, because this is clearly not sustainable. Reason is because it's usually a crypto would resist at its resistance point, which is here, the line as you guys can see here. However, this crypto did not do that. It literally just broke out and went straight into the dark green zone here. So yeah, more than likely the crypto will drop back down into the red zone over the coming days, towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So yeah, this is my take on Streamr or data, guys. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up incredible percentage, guys. 7,900% up in the last 24 hours, making it $255 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. We're seeing a lot of people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is the top gain in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Streamr to go in 2024? Personally, yes, it does have the potential to hit 10 cents potentially by mid next year is when I'm expecting Streamr to be hitting 10 cents in value. But if it is able to go higher and you're predicting that, comment down below how high, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.